Hello, this is Lance Cleveland, creator of the Store Locator Plus plugin for WordPress. Today I'm going to go over some of the changes in version 4.3.04 that was released this morning on August 31st, 2015. One of the main changes has to do with the plugin styles. There was a fix to the way plugin styles are handling the changes, and also in this release the plugin styles will automatically update your various layouts if you have ProPack, Enhanced Map, Enhanced Results, Enhanced Search, or Tagalong installed just by clicking Saving Settings. So there's no longer a two-step approach. So that's an enhancement that's come along in this release. It also has other enhancements such as the layout shortcodes allow you to add things like the if set, suffix, and wrap modifiers to all of the SLP location, SLP option, and HTML tags for those of you doing custom results layouts or search layouts. There's also some added span classes around some of the output options that allows for more detailed CSS styling, again for those that are creating their own custom plugin styles. In addition, this release has a fix for some of the direction links in the USA. Google wants to use the Google Maps API as the URL for looking up geocodes, but it does not want to use that URL for displaying their directions map interface. So a little trickery had to be done there to fix that and put that back to maps.google.com. So directions links are now fixed. Also, the multiple modifiers. Some of the themes that are used actually had modifiers in results layout that were causing the shortcode text to output in results, and that has been fixed in the latest release. So let me go over the view layout changes. So right now I have Woo Memorable, and when I pick an advanced theme, it will show me which add-on packs it has settings for and how it changes the layouts. For those of you that are creating your own custom themes, the way you define those is you create a CSS file and put it in the CSS directory, and it has to have a header like this that has the file name, label, description, list of the add-on pack slugs that it's going to utilize, and then you can set different layouts that it will change. These are HTML structures within the SL Plus shortcode itself, and it will determine the look and feel of the page with ProPack. Things like, does the map come above or below the search form? Things like what goes in the info bubble, the results layout, which is the structure of the results that come back from a search, and the search layout, which is the structure of the search form. So there are a number of what I call the advanced themes or advanced styles that are available inside the plugin that ship with it. So I'm going to start with Woo Memorable, and when I select this, it will tell me here, read only, what the layout changes are going to be. All of these settings are available on either the Experience View, Results, Search, or Map tab. So right now I have Woo Memorable set. The 4.3.04 release, I simply pick this style. It will change those layouts, and I hit Save Settings to save those layout changes. Now this is Woo Memorable theme. This is a custom Divi theme that I'm working on with a client, or for a client. That someone else created a Divi theme, but I'm working on the modifications of Locator for that. So this is what Woo Memorable looks like. You can see search forms above the map. We've got the map, and we've got our results here. Now I can change this automatically by changing this to a new theme. And one of the ones that I'm testing that I have a patch for is this Beside and Below Genesis. So I pick this. It'll show me down here what it's going to change my different layout settings to, and it will put the settings in place. You can see here under ProPack, Locator Layout, or for example under Results, the Results layout are changed just by changing this drop-down menu to a new theme, and they take effect when I hit Save Settings. So that's going to apply the Locator layouts and the CSS styling that's built into that style sheet to my interface. And that will apply, and now I simply reload this Locator page, and I can see that with ProPack and Enhanced Search and Enhanced Results in place, that theme is able to change my entire style here of the SL Plus shortcode. Puts a search form over here on the left, map in the middle, and my results below. So that is how that works now with 4.3.04. You no longer have to click Change Layout and then Save Settings, go through that two-step process. And if you don't want to change the settings, you just click away from the Experience tab and click back, and it will not obliterate any layout settings you may have already made. So that's what the big change is that's coming in 4.3.04. That should be hitting your update buttons inside of WordPress any moment now. If you have any other questions or issues, please go to the forums at storelocatorplus.com. And when you create a post, it makes us a lot more efficient if you can go into your info tab and send us your plugin environment. A lot of people tell us, oh, I have the latest updates, because they're not always receiving update notifications. It makes us a lot more efficient if we can get a screen capture of this part of your page at the very least, possibly even down to PHP version. Sometimes that does affect the build. So if you go to the forums and you have a question or you have a problem or want to report a bug, that's the place to do it. Send us your plugin environment, and also preferably, if you can, send us your site URL if it's public. That really helps us kind of dig into it before answering you, and that allows me to look at things very quickly and post an answer instead of having to post something back saying, hey, please send us this, this, and this, and then I may not be able to get back to you for a few days. Thanks for your support of Store Locator Plus.